This will help this will help to remind us that we can do things that we not only in asana லைஃப்ல கூட நம்ம சில நேரத்துல வந்து நம்மள்ட்ட சொன்னாங்களா இது உங்களால செய்ய முடியாது, இது உங்களால முடியாது, இது இம்பாசிபிள் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்கன்னா you will have the courage to try it out at least, because asana has taught you, or the first thing in the morning that you did has taught you that you can accomplish certain things provided you do it with the correct method and technique. மெத்தட் டெக்னிக்லாம் கரெக்டாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா யூ வில் பி ஏபிள் டு transcend your own limitation. The great martial artist Bruce Lee, Master Bruce Lee, பார்த்தீங்கன்னா he if you see his journey, in the very early beginning of his journey, lot of people will say இவன் ரொம்ப சின்னதா இருக்கான், he is a very small frame man. If you see Bruce Lee is a very small frame man, he's not a very tall guy, he's not a westerner, ஒரு வெள்ளக்காரெல்லாம், he is just a normal person, an Asian who had a very small body type, and they will say you cannot be a great martial artist because you do not have the physical capability, you do not have the characteristics, you do not have proper education, all these things. இதெல்லாம் வந்துட்டு ப்ரூஸ் லீட்ட சொன்ன விஷயம். But Bruce Lee believed so much in himself, and the only thing that he kept on practicing is, of course, is Wing Chun. Wing Chun is his martial art oda idu. அந்த martial art வந்துட்டு he keep on practicing, and every day he transcended the barrier of not only martial art oda expression. அதாவது புதிய martial arts வந்து அவர் வந்து கொண்டு வந்தாரு. ஜிட் குண்டோன்னு வந்து ஒன்று கொண்டு வந்தாரு. டெக்வாண்டோ இருந்துச்சு, கராத்தே இருந்துச்சு, இந்த மாதிரி பல இது இருக்கும்போது அவருக்குன்னு ஒரு தனி ஒரு இதை வந்து கொண்டு வந்தார், which is known of course the world over as Jeet Kune Do today. And why he was able to do that? Because he believed, and because his martial art, the way that he had trained, has made him believe. First thing he does in the morning, he wakes up around 4-5 o'clock in the morning to train himself, and then he will go on training martial arts for 2 to 3 hours. அவர் வந்து ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுவாராம். So practice பண்ணிட்டு then he'll have some soup or something like that for his breakfast or something like that. But when he trained every day, first thing in the morning, when he does his martial arts, the speed that he can execute certain things, அது வந்துட்டு அவருக்கு என்ன கான்ஃபிடென்ட் கொடுக்குன்னா, என்னால இதுக்கு மேலேயும் வந்து டிரான்ஸ்சென்ட் பண்ண முடியும். What people may think that. Have you seen Bruce Leeோட one finger punch, 1 inch punch? 1 inch punch. Go to YouTube, you will be able to see Bruce Lee 1 inch punch. இப்போ போகாதீங்க, அப்புறம் இப்போ எடுத்தீங்கன்னா அப்புறம் நான் 1 inch punch பண்ணிடுறேன். இப்போ போகக்கூடாது. 1 inch punch, Bruce Leeோட 1 inch punch போயிட்டு லேட்டு யூடியூப்ல பாருங்க. அதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ப்ரூஸ் லீ வந்துட்டு அந்த அவரோட ஒப்பனோட இவ்வளோ கிட்ட தான் இருப்பாரு. And then he will just place top அப்படி செய்வாரு, and then the person will be flying. Such power, intensity. Of course, there is a lot of energy concentration. அது சீன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, நம்ம பிராணா சொல்றோம், கீன்னு சொல்றோம். அது மாதிரி அந்த concentrated energy is over here. But how would people have thought that they can do all these things? Because something that they do first thing in the morning make them realize that they can accomplish great things in their lives. ஒரு சின்ன விஷயம் தான் செய்யறோம், ஆனா அதை அக்காம்ப்ளிஷ் பண்ணிட்டோம்னா உடனே it gives them a sense of நம்மனால வந்து நிறைய விஷயத்த சாதிக்க முடியும் அப்படின்றது. When you do difficult asanas, let's say, or you attempt to do something difficult in the morning, let's say if you are today, now let's say now we practice, maybe this is the first thing that you are doing today, so you are practicing asana. Once you have done your asana, you will feel, once you have done or accomplished this thing today, and then you have attempted a difficult posture, it will teach you, it will help you to remind you that you can do a lot of things that people may have told you that you cannot do. இவங்க மாதிரி ஆளுங்க தான் வந்துட்டு உலகத்துல மாற்றத்தை வந்து படைக்க முடியும். Because they always transcend beyond what people perceive that they can do. They always believed in themselves that they are not ordinary beings. These are the people that will go on and change the world. At least change the world of the people around them. You don't have to change the world, but the world of people around you. Those who are around you, they will feel inspired by how you are actually carrying yourself. உங்களை எப்படி நீங்க வந்துட்டு portray பண்றீங்க, எவ்வளோ கான்ஃபிடென்ட்டா இருக்கீங்க, எவ்வளோ விஷயத்தை வந்து சாதிக்கிறீங்க, அதெல்லாம் வந்துட்டு people get inspired and then they look at you like that. ஸோ அதே பிரின்சிபல்ல தான் இந்த மேக்கிங் அ பெட்டும் வந்துட்டு ஆக்சுவலி. ஸோ ஒன்ஸ் மெனி இயர்ஸ் ago when I saw that, after that I never left my bed without making it up. இல்லை எடுத்து போட்டுட்டு then I will just arrange something. Of course, the room is already, nothing much will be touched in the room except for the bed sheet and so on. So it takes a few 5 minutes or something like that. But once it is done, I feel good about it actually. Feel good about it. But if at all you may have sometimes in your busy times you may have left it out, you may want to consider this as a discipline that you want to take up, as a discipline that you want to take up, to ensure that first thing that you do in the morning is making up your bed, and of course after that you go on accomplishing second thing, which is your yoga practice. Now that is more difficult task to do, to put your mat, to do your இதை தாண்டியும் வந்துட்டீங்கன்னா கண்டிப்பா அன்னைக்கு நாள் பூரா உங்களுக்கு வெற்றி தான். இது ரெண்டும் தாண்டி வரணும். ரெண்டாவது கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமானது, அதாவது மேட்டை போட்டு ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்றது. ஆனா ரெண்டாவதையும் தாண்டிட்டீங்கன்னா கண்டிப்பா உங்க வாழ்க்கையில எந்த பிரச்சனை வந்தாலும் நீங்க தாண்டிடுவீங்க. Okay, let us start our class today. Sit in a comfortable position. Keep your back straight. Close your eyes. Do your prayers. Thank the universe, your parents, your fellow practitioners, your teachers, the nature, for giving you the opportunity to practice, for giving you good health, prosperity, and happiness. Breathing in, breathing out. If there are any thoughts in your mind, just be aware of it. Do not engage any of the thoughts. If there are any thoughts in your mind, just be aware of it. Do not engage any of the thoughts. Allow your mind to be filled with only good thoughts. Now allow your mind to be filled only with good thoughts. Remind yourself that you have great purpose in this world. Remind yourself that our birth has great purpose in this world. You will do all that is possible. You will do all that is possible to make this world a better place. You will do all that is possible to make this world a better place. By practicing yoga, I am contributing. By doing yoga, I am contributing to peace and happiness, to the people around me, to my society, to my country, and to this world. Breathing in, breathing out. Open your eyes. Extend your feet forward. Inhale, toes forward. Exhale towards your body. Inhale, toes forward. Exhale towards your body. Inhale, feet forward. Exhale towards your body. Inhale, feet forward. Exhale towards your body. Legs slightly apart, toes pointed at each other. Inhale, rotate all the way towards the sides and then exhale to the center. From the inside, inhale, rotate all the way towards the sides and then exhale to the center. Bring the feet together. Ankle rotation clockwise. Anti-clockwise, the other way around. Stop. Bend your knees, interlock your fingers, place it behind your right thigh. Inhale, straighten up your right leg. Exhale, place it on the opposite direction. Inhale, straighten up. Exhale, right side. Inhale, straighten up. Exhale, place it on top of your left thigh. Right hand on your right knee. Inhale, press your knee down. Exhale, bring it close towards your chest. Inhale, press your knee down. Exhale, bring it close towards your chest. Do a hip rotation clockwise. Anti-clockwise, the other way around. Stop. Extend your legs forward. Bend your left leg. Interlock your fingers. Place it behind your left thigh. Inhale, straighten up your left leg. Keep the right leg active. Exhale, place it on the opposite direction. Inhale, straighten up. Exhale, left side. Inhale, straighten up. Exhale, place it on top of your right thigh. Left hand on your left knee. Inhale, press your knee down. Exhale, bring it close towards your chest. Inhale, press your knee down. Exhale, bring it close towards your chest. Do a hip rotation clockwise. Anti-clockwise, the other way around. Stop. Bring the soles of your feet together. Bring the soles of your feet together. Italyasana, up, down. Always keep a light smile on your face. Makes a lot of difference. Hands on your knees, elbows pointed upwards. Inhale, press your knee down. Press, press, press. Exhale, release. Once again, hands on your knees, elbows pointed upwards. Inhale, press your knee down. Press, press. Exhale, release. Extend your legs forward, right leg or left leg. Pull, hands up, palms up. Inhale, exhale, bring your fingers close towards your wrist. Inhale, bring your hands up. Exhale, bring it close towards your wrist. Inhale, bring your palms up. Your thumb in, cover up your thumb using the rest of your fingers. Do wrist rotation clockwise. Anti-clockwise, the other way around. Stop, hands on your shoulders, elbow in line with your shoulder. Inhale, open up with resistance like someone is trying to stop you from opening up. Spread out your fingers, stretch yourself. Exhale, closing in with resistance like someone is trying to stop you from closing in. Elbows together. Inhale, up. Rotate all the way towards the sides. Interlock your fingers behind your back. Open up your chest. Look up. Exhale all the way down towards the center. From downwards, inhale, rotate all the way towards the sides. Interlock your fingers behind your back. Open up your chest. Look up. Exhale all the way up towards the center. Now your neck. All the way up. All the way down. To the center. To the right. To the center. To the left. To the center. Till to the right. To the center. Till to the left. To the center. Now make a circle clockwise. Anti-clockwise, the other way around. Stop. Interlock your fingers. Eye exercise. Eyes follow your thumb all the way up. all the way down to the center, to the right, to the center, to the left, to the center. Make a circle clockwise, anti-clockwise, the other way around. To the center. Inhale, exhale, bring your thumb close towards the tip of your nostril. Both eyes focus at the tip of your nostril. Inhale, bring it back to the center. Exhale, place it at the space in between your eyebrows. Look up, both eyes focus upwards. Press slightly towards the space in between your eyebrows. Look up. Shambhavi Mudra. Release, relax. Up, Hatha Yoga Namaskar. Legs slightly apart, toes pointed forward. Relax your shoulders. Namaskaram potunga. Close your eyes, do your prayers. Thank the universe, your parents, your fellow practitioners, your teachers, the nature for giving you the opportunity to practice, for giving you good health, prosperity and happiness. Pray for the well-being of all the people in this world. In the உலகத்துல இருக்கிற எல்லாரும் நல்லா இருக்கணும்னு வேண்டிக்கிட்டு open your eyes. Breathing in, sideways up. Breathing out towards the center of your chest. Breathing in, stretch forward all the way back. Breathing out all the way down. Now bring your right leg all the way back. Right knee down, right feet down. Left knee projecting. Inhale, open up your chest. Hands down. Left leg all the way back. Knee up. Exhaling, Parvatasana, mountain posture. Hold your breath. Knee down, chest down, and your chin down. Asta Anga Asana. Inhale, Bhujanga Asana. Exhale, Shashank Asana. Inhale, up Mahajari Asana. Exhale, Parvat Asana. Right leg mundu kondu vaanga. Bring your right leg forward. The left knee down, left feet down. Inhale, open up. Hands down, left leg forward. Namaskar. Inhale, up all the way back. Exhale all the way down. Left leg all the way back. Inhale, open up your chest. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain posture. Hold your breath, knee down, chest down, and your chin down, Astangasana. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashank-asana. Inhale, up Mahajari Asana. Exhale, Parvat-asana. Now bring the left leg as far forward as possible. Right knee down, right feet down. Inhale, open up your chest. Project your knee forward. Hands down, bring your right leg forward. Keep a slight gap in between your legs. Bring your palms together. Inhale, up all the way back. Exhale, all the way down. Right leg all the way back. Inhale, open up your chest. Hands down, left leg all the way back, knee up. Exhaling, Parvatasana, mountain posture. Hold your breath, knee down, chest down, and your chin down, Astangasana. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashank-asana. Inhale, up Marjari Asana, cat posture. On your toes, knee up, exhaling, Parvatasana, mountain posture. Now once again, bring the right leg forward. Your left knee down, your left feet down. Inhale, open up your chest. Hands down, left leg forward. Namaskar. Inhale, up all the way back. Exhale all the way down. Left leg all the way back. Inhale, open up your chest. Hands down. Right leg all the way back, knee up. Exhaling, Parvatasana, mountain posture. Hold your breath, knee down, chest down, and your chin down, Astangasana. Inhale, Bhujanga Asana. Exhale, Shashank Asana. Inhale, up, Marjari Asana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Now bring the left leg forward. Your right knee down, right feet down. Inhale, open up your chest. Hands down, right leg forward. Namaskar, keep a slight gap. Inhale, up all the way back. Exhale all the way down. Right leg all the way back. Inhale, open up. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain posture. Hold your breath, knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashank Asana. Inhale, up, Marjari Asana. Exhale, Parvat Asana. Ready. Right leg forward. Inhale, open up your chest. Hands down. Left leg forward. Namaskar. Inhale, up all the way back. Exhale all the way down. Left leg all the way back. Inhale, open up. Hands down. Right leg all the way back. Knee up. Exhaling, Parvatasana, mountain posture. Hold your breath. Knee down, chest down, and your chin down, Astangasana. Inhale, Bhujanga Asana. Exhale, Shashank Asana. Inhale, up, Marjari Asana. Exhale, Parvat Asana. Left leg forward. Inhale, open up your chest. Hands down. Right leg forward. Namaskar. Inhale, up all the way back. Exhale to the center of your chest. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Please relax. Prepare for Astanga Surya Namaskar A. Samastitihi. Bring your feet together. Engage your shin, calf, pull in your abdomen. Project your chest forward. Keep your spine straight. Place your hands at the side of your thigh. And then look forward neutrally. Maintain a balanced state between the front and the back, between the right and the left. Samastitihi. Breathing in. Raise your hands above your head. Breathing out all the way down. Breathing in, raise your head up. Breathing out, jump out or bring your right leg and left leg all the way back. Lower your body, Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, inhale. Adho Mukha Svanasana, exhale. Now breathe deeply. Keep a slight gap in between the legs. Follow the width of your hip. Spread out your fingers. Keep your elbows straight, your knees straight. Project your chest towards the space in between the legs, while the top of the head moves towards the space in between the hands. So it will create a lengthening action for the spine. 1, 2, breathe deeply. 3, if possible, pull in your abdomen slightly so that the breath will be concentrated on the chest. 4, 5, look up slightly. Jump in or bring your right leg and left leg forward. Head up. Inhale. Go down. Exhale. Come up. Inhale. Samastitihi. Exhale. Second one. Samastitihi. Breathing in. Raise your hands all the way up. Breathing out all the way down. Breathing in. Raise your head up. Breathing out, jump out or bring your right leg and left leg all the way back. Lower your body, Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, inhale. Adho Mukha Svanasana, exhale. Once again, breathe. Entire process revolves around the ability to control your breath, to sync the breath with the movement. your breath is in sync with your actions, then all the actions that you perform will be of clarity, will have greater clarity. 2, 3, 4, 5. Look up slightly, bend your knees, jump in or bring your right leg and left leg forward. Head up, inhale, go down, exhale, come up, inhale, Samastitihi, exhale. Third one, Samastitihi. Breathing in, raise your hands all the way up. Breathing out, all the way down. Breathing in, raise your head up. Breathing out, jump out, Chaduranga Dandasana. Uddhva Mukha Shavanasana, inhale. Adho Mukha Shavanasana, exhale. Breathe deeply. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look up slightly, bend your knees, jump in or bring your right leg and left leg forward. Head up, inhale, go down, exhale, come up, inhale, Samastitihi, exhale. Fourth one, Samastitihi. Breathing in, raise the hands all the way up. Breathing out, all the way down. Breathing in, raise your head up. Breathing out, jump out or bring your right leg and left leg all the way back. Lower your body, Chadur Angadandasana. Uddhva Mukha Shavanasana, inhale. Adho Mukha Shavanasana, exhale. Breathe now. Once again, check your alignment. Deep inhalation, exhalation, concentrated on the chest area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look up slightly, bend your knees, jump in or bring your right leg and left leg forward. Head up, inhale, go down, exhale, come up, inhale, Samastitihi, exhale. Last one. Breathing in, raise your hands all the way up. Breathing out, all the way down. Breathing in, raise your head up. Breathing out, jump out or bring your right leg and left leg all the way back. Lower your body, Chaturanga. Uddhva Mukha Shavanasana, inhale. Adho Mukha Shavanasana, exhale. Once again, breathe deeply. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look up slightly, bend your knees, jump in or bring your right leg and left leg forward. Head up, inhale, go down, exhale, come up. Inhale. Samastitihi. Exhale. Steady. Prepare for Ashtanga Surya Namaskar B. Samastitihi. Bring your feet together. Engage your shin calf. Pull in your abdomen. Project your chest forward. Keep your spine straight. Look forward. Breathing in, raise, breathing in, go down, touch, come up, Utkatasana. Inhale, go down, exhale, raise your head up. Inhale, Chatur Anga Dandasana, jump out or bring your right leg and left leg all the way back. Lower your body. Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha Shavanasana. Inhale, Adho Mukha Shavanasana. Exhale, right leg forward. Virabhadrasana. Inhale, Chatur Anga Dandasana. Exhale, Urdhva Mukha Shavanasana. Inhale, Adho Mukha Shavanasana. Exhale. Now bring the left leg forward, Virabhadrasana. Inhale, Chatur Anga Dandasana. Exhale, Urdhva Mukha Shavanasana. Inhale, Adho Mukha Shavanasana. Exhale. Breathe now deeply. Once again, deep inhalation and exhalation. One. Press the back of the heels firmly to the ground. It will help to keep your knees straight. Spread out your fingers, lengthen your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look up slightly, bend your knees, jump in or bring your right leg and left leg forward. Head up, inhale, go down, exhale. Utkata Asana, inhale, Samastitihi, exhale. Second one, Samastitihi. Breathing in, go down, come up, Utkatasana. Inhale, go down, exhale. Raise your head up, inhale, Chatur Anga Dandasana. Exhale, Urdhva Mukha Shavanasana. Inhale, Adho Mukha Shavanasana. Exhale. Bring the right leg forward as far forward as possible. Left feet flat, 45 degrees. Inhale, Virabhadrasana. Exhaling, Chatur Anga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha Shavanasana. Inhale. Adho Mukha Shavanasana. Exhale. Left leg forward. Virabhadrasana. Inhale. Chatur Anga Dandasana. Exhale. Urdhva Mukha Shavanasana. Inhale. Adho Mukha Shavanasana. Exhale. Breathe. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look up slightly, bend your knees, jump in or bring your right leg and left leg forward. Head up, inhale, go down, exhale, Utkata Asana, inhale, Samastitihi, exhale. Third one, Samastitihi, breathing in, go down, come up, Utkata Asana, inhale, go down, exhale, raise your head up, inhale, jump out or bring your right leg and left leg all the way back. Chaduranga Dandasana, exhale, Urdhva Mukha Shavasana, inhale, Adho Mukha Shavasana, exhale, right leg as far forward as possible, left feet flat, strong, inhale, Virabhadrasana, exhaling, Chadur Angadandasana, right leg all the way back, lower your body, Urdhva Mukha Shavasana, inhale, Adho Mukha Shavasana, exhale, left leg forward, inhale, Virabhadra Asana. Exhaling, Chadur Angadandasana. Inhaling, Urdhva Mukha Shavasana. Exhaling, Adho Mukha Shavasana. One. Breathe deeply. Strong hands. Firmly plant your palm. Firmly plant your palm onto your mat. 2, 3, 4, 5. Look up slightly. Bend your knees. Jump in or bring your right leg and left leg forward. Head up. Inhale. Go down. Exhale. Utkata Asana. Inhale. Samastitihi. Exhale. Steady. Now fourth one. Samastitihi. Breathing in. Go down. Come up. Utkata Asana. Inhale. Go down. Exhale. Raise your head up. Inhale. Chadur Angadandasana. Exhale. Urdhva Mukha Shavasana. Inhale. Adho Mukha Shavasana. Exhale. Now bring your right leg forward. Left feet flat, 45 degrees. Inhale. Virabhadra Asana. Exhaling. Chadur Angadandasana. Right leg all the way back. Lower your body. Urdhva Mukha Shavasana. Inhale. Adho Mukha Shavasana. Exhale. Bring your left leg forward. Virabhadra Asana. Inhale. Chadur Angadandasana. Exhale. Urdhva Mukha Shavasana. Inhale. Adho Mukha Shavasana. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look up slightly, bend your knees, jump in or bring your right leg and left leg forward. Head up, inhale, go down, exhale, Utkata Asana, inhale, Samastitihi, exhale. Last one, Astanga Surya Namaskar, P, Samastitihi. Breathing in, go down, come up, Utkata Asana, inhale, go down, exhale, raise your head up, inhale, Chaduranga Dandasana, exhale, Udvamukha Shavanasana, inhale, Adho Mukha Shavanasana, exhale, right leg munnu kondu vaanga, bring your right leg forward, Virabhadrasana, inhale, Chaduranga Dandasana, exhale, Udvamukha Shavanasana, inhale, Adho Mukha Shavanasana, exhale, left leg forward, Virabhadrasana, inhale, Chaduranga Dandasana, exhale, Udvamukha Shavanasana, inhale, Adho Mukha Shavanasana, exhale, breathe. One, two, three, four, five. Look up slightly, bend your knees, jump in or bring your right leg and left leg forward. Head up, inhale, go down, exhale, Utkata Asana, inhale, Samastitihi, exhale. Release the position, drink a bit of water and wipe your face and come forward. Okay, we are going to do something related to, meanwhile, while you are drinking water, I'll explain what we are actually going to do today. We are going to do something related to hip opening, hip openers, hamstring, இதெல்லாம் சம்பந்தப்பட்டது we are going to do today. Our pose also today is going to be something related to that. It's going to be a reclining twist pose. Later I will tell you what is the pose. But before that, we will do some preparation in order to go into that posture. Okay, I hope all of you are good to go. Can continue? Okay, go to your mat once again. I will give you what are the things that you need to do. First one is Anjaneyasana. This is the preparation. Anjaneyasana is a very good posture to open up your hip openers. Padmasana இந்த மாதிரி போஸ்டர்ஸ்க்கு வந்துட்டு one of the very useful pose is actually Anjaneyasana. But you must know how to execute it right. If you execute it right, then you will get lot of stretch out of this posture. Okay. I will show first. So from mountain posture, here you will bring the right leg forward. But when you bring the right leg forward, always remember the knee must be in line with your ankle. The knee will be in line with your ankle. Okay, remember the knee will be in line with your ankle. And then only once you bring the knee in line with your ankle, once you place the knee down, then only you start projecting the knee forward like that. Project the knee forward with the head facing down. With the head facing down, project the knee forward until the thigh. In the thigh, the thigh must move close towards the calf like that. Must move close towards the calf like that. still facing head down. So you'll feel lot of stretch happening on the upper thigh. You'll feel lot of stretch happening on the upper thigh over here. Over here. So feet on the flat, and then look up slightly. Bring your chest up first, still pressuring the thigh to move close towards the calf over here. And then from this position, inhale from forward like that. Inhale, bring your hands as far back as possible. You see this hand movement, this one is very important. In the lengthening on the create panna. So how you create that lengthening on the spine, if you move straight like that, then it will create a lot of pressure on your lower back. So always move like that. Bring your hands, stretch your hands forward, and then namaskar, and then you go all the way up. Now it will create a very good stretch towards the back. Okay, go. Mountain posture. Now bring the right leg forward. Keep it at 90 degrees first. Keep it at 90 degrees. And then slowly project the knee forward. Project the knee forward, 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 forward. Until the feet is. And then the back feet, keep it flat. And then from that position, inhale, bring your hands up all the way back. Stretch your fingertips towards the sky. Stretch your fingertips towards the sky. Stretch your fingertips towards the sky. And then go back, go back, go back. Breathe. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3. Stretch higher and towards the back. Stretch higher and towards the back. 4, 5. Go further, go further. 6. 7, 8. Exhaling, bring your hands down. Now go to mountain pose once again. Switch legs. Go to mountain pose, Parvatasana, mountain pose. Now bring the left leg forward. Bring the left leg forward. Keep it at 90 degrees first. Now bring the right knee down. Right knee madhukila kondu vaanga. Right feet flat. Then only you move your left knee projecting forward. Move your left knee projecting forward. Left knee projecting forward. Okay. Ipa namaskaram pottu munnukku appadi stretch panni. Bring your hands as high as possible and then towards the back. As high as possible and then towards the back. Stretch your fingertips towards the sky. Stretch your fingertips towards the sky. Go back, go back. Stretch your fingertips towards the sky. Project your left knee forward. All this action must be done at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stay. Another 2 only. 7, 8. Release. Come down. Okay. Now just look at me. Just look at me. Now you'll go back to Marjariyasana. This Marjariyasana, cat posture. You'll bring the right leg forward once again. Like that. Like how you brought your leg just now. Adhe mari project your knee forward. Project your knee forward. Project your knee forward. Project your knee forward. Like that. And then now, since your left leg is at the back, you will turn your body around. You'll twist or turn your body around, revolve your body around towards the right hand side, and then try to get hold of your left leg over here. Get hold of your left leg over here. Get hold of your left leg over here. And then look at your left feet like that. So see here, from this posture, turn your body around, bend your left leg, and then use your right hand to get hold of your left feet. And then look at your left leg. Keep your left hand strong. Right hand holding the left feet. Go. Okay, go down. Now you see here, And the right knee வந்து நல்லா project பண்ணீங்க. Project the right knee forward, like the thigh is touching the calf first. Okay, like that. Okay, now bring the, bend the left leg, rotate your body, use your right hand to get hold of your left feet from the right side. Bring your hand towards the right side. Right side kondu po kaiya. Right hand towards the right side of your feet. Opposite direction. Hold on the opposite direction. No. No, dear, no. Use your right hand to hold on the left side of your left ankle. Yes, correct. Yes, correct. Now like that. You see how she's holding. You must hold like that. Then only you'll get, then only the feet won't fall towards the other side because you are holding. You must hold from the opposite direction so that it won't lean towards the left side like that. That is why we hold on the other side. Now breathe deeply. 1, you feel lot of stress. Stay. 2, 3, 4, 5, senyum, 6, 7, 8. Release the posture. Go to Marjariasana, cat posture. Cat posture. Okay, now bring the left leg forward. Very good. Now bend the right knee. Bring the left hand to hold the opposite direction of the feet. And then look at your right feet. Just look at your right feet. Rotate your body, look at your right feet. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe. Press the right thigh towards the ground. And the right thigh, press it towards the ground. You'll get more stretch. 6, 7, 8. Release the posture. Go back to Marjariasana. Cat posture. Go to cat posture. Go to cat posture once again. Now, lizard posture. Uttan Pristhasana. You'll bring the right leg towards the right side of your right hand. Right leg towards the right side. You see? Towards the right side of your right hand. Now, from this position, lower your elbows. Then place your elbows in line with the ankle. Place your elbows in line with the ankle over here. Place your elbows in line with the ankle. Now from this position, lift up. Inhale, lift up the back leg. Lift up the back leg and then keep looking down. Stay in this position. Keep your back leg strong and this knee must be 90 degrees. Okay, go. Okay. Right elbow is in line with your right ankle. And then go down on your elbows. If you feel uncomfortable, align your palm with your right ankle. Align your palm with your right ankle. Otherwise, you can go down. Your elbow can go down. Okay. Now inhale, lift up the back leg. Lift up the back leg. Stay in this position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep the back leg strong. That is what's going to make a lot of difference. 5, 6, 7, 8. Release the posture. Go back to Marjariasana, cat posture. Now bring the left leg forward towards the left side of your left feet. Left leg forward towards the left side of your left feet. Okay, go down on your elbows or stay on your palms. Stay on your palms. Steady. Inhale, bring the right knee up. Bring the right knee up. Stay in this position. Breathe deeply. Keep the back leg strong. Straight knees. 1, 2, 3. Keep the right leg strong. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release the posture. Come back to Marjariyasana, cat posture. Okay, now same position, Marjariyasana. Marjariyasana, what you will do, you'll go to mountain pose, and then you'll bring the right leg forward, and then go down completely to your elbows like that, towards your elbows. You see, you'll bring the right leg forward, right knee align with your right wrist, right ankle align with your left wrist, and then go down completely, settle down completely, and then hands down. Look forward. From this position, you will do something similar to what you did earlier. You will bend the left leg and then rotate your body, get hold of your right feet, get hold of your left feet. Rotate, get hold of your left feet. Once done, look forward. Like that, in this position. Come, follow me. Do like, how am I doing? Okay. Now bring the right leg forward. Right knee is aligned with your right wrist. And then right ankle is aligned with your left wrist. Go down completely. Go down to the ground. Feet flat, the back feet flat. Rotate your body. Bend the left knee. Use your right hand to get hold of your left feet. Once you got your left feet, look forward. Stay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stay in that position. Now lift up the left hand, bring it forward like that, like you're going on a Superman, like that. Yes. Stay, look forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Release the position. Go into Marjariyasana, mountain pose. Now bring the left leg forward, left knee in line with your left wrist, left ankle in line with your right wrist. Now go down completely. Breathe. Okay. Now slowly bend the right knee, turn your body, left hand holding the right feet or right ankle. Now look forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring the right hand up. Fly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Release the position. Very good. I'm sure you had very good stretch. Okay, now come up in standing. Standing on the stand. Stand up. We'll do some leg strengthening. See here. All the postures that you did just now are intermediate to advanced hip openers. So the video is recorded. Let's say if you want to train yourself with your with hip opener postures that will help you with Padmasana and the postures help. These are the postures that you can do. Go back to this sequence once again later on, anytime that you want to, so that you'll be able to gain greater flexibility and strength on your hip, hamstring, thigh, and the lower part of the body, lower part below the torso, hip kila. Now, bend the right leg, place it on top of your left thigh like that, but do not pull it too much. Just slightly like that, like it's near the knee, just above the knee like that will do. Like that. If you feel uncomfortable, use your hand to hold your feet like that. Okay. Now, from this position, do namaskar. Inhale and exhale, lower your body halfway like that. Go down. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, lower, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhaling, come up. Switch legs. Left leg on top of your right thigh. Namaskar. Inhale. Exhale, go down. Go down halfway, go down. Go down, go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhaling, come up. Exhale. Okay, maybe let's do one more posture. Okay, one more posture. Okay, this one is Hatha Yoga, Ashtanga Yoga posture, which is Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana. Now what you will do is you will bring your right knee up. Bring your right knee up. Interlock your fingers. Place it behind your right thigh like that. Place it behind your right thigh. From this position, inhale, straighten up your leg as much as possible forward. As much as possible forward. Point your toes forward. Now, if possible, slide your hand all the way until you go below the ankle. Just go as far forward as possible. Then stay in this position. Straighten your body once again. Hold this position. 1, 2, point your toes forward. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhaling, come down. Let go of your leg. Now bring the left leg up. Bend the left knee. Interlock your fingers, place it behind the left thigh. Straighten the left leg as much as you can. And then slide your hand as far forward as possible, holding below the left ankle. And then inhale, straighten your spine once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sorry, count to 7, 8. Exhale, release the position. Okay, now let's go to, I think it's enough. We have done enough postures today. Let me just show you. It's very simple, approachable pose by everyone. It's a reclining pose. So just watch carefully. What am I going to do? So you lie down in this position. You lie down in this position. Okay. Now, rendu posture irukku idhula. I don't know, you all can see me. There is 2 poses over here. And the first one that we're actually going to do will be like an intermediate pose. The second one is going to be like an advanced posture. So the first one is like this. You'll bend the right leg, and then bring it as far. You bend the right leg, left hand, get hold of your left feet, right feet like that. And then inhale, straighten up your leg as much as possible. Straighten up your leg as much as possible. Now exhale, bring your right leg towards the left side. Bring your right leg towards the left side and straighten up as much as you can. And then look towards the right side. Palms facing upwards. Look towards the right side. In the knee, straighten straighten. Look up. This leg, the back leg, has to remain in a straight line. Like that. Look up. Can you all see the posture? No. Come here. Can see? Go down. Okay, I'll give instruction. Okay, right knee bend panninga. Left hand holding the right knee. Sorry. Hold on. Okay, எந்த கால் ஹோல்ட் பண்ணாலும் opposite hand எடுத்து toes படிங்க. Opposite hand எடுத்து toes பிடிச்சு go to the opposite direction. Go to the opposite direction. I cannot see anyone doing it with a good angle. Let me see. Okay, I think Kovi should be okay. Okay, so opposite direction la varanum. So left hand holding the right big toe, left leg on the straight varanum. Look at your opposite direction la parunga. Opposite direction la parunga. எந்த சைடு கால் இருக்கோ அந்த சைடு வந்துட்டு oppositeல பார்க்கணும். Now breathe. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, this one here. 4, 5. Breathe. 6. 7. It's known as Parivitra Sutta Padangusthasana. Sutta Parivitra Padangusthasana. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhaling, bring it back to the center. Exhaling, release your legs. Now the opposite side you do. You know to do the one side, other side saying, north side saying. Either right hand holding the left big toe or the other side. Okay. Look at your left hand. Opposite side. Strong legs. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Release the posture. Okay. Now see me back in a paranga. Now we are going to do something similar. This is the pose of the day. The name of the pose is Ekavada Padma Supta Padangustasana. Ekavada Padma Supta Padangustasana. So what you will do is you will bend the left leg. Sorry. You will bend the right knee like that. And then place the left feet on top of your right thigh like that. Bend the right knee, place the left feet on top of your right thigh like that. Like you're going into half Padmasana Paramari. Okay. Now from this position, bring up the right feet. Use your left hand to get hold of your right big toe. Use your left hand to get hold of your right big toe. Inhale, straighten up your leg as much as you can. And then exhale, project this knee, left knee towards the upper side, towards the forward. Project this left knee forward, and then bring down this right feet towards the opposite direction, like that. And then right hand, bring it over. You can even apply a mudra on the right side, like that. And look up. I look towards the right side. Can you all see the posture? Okay, good. Now I'll give instructions once again. Follow instruction. Follow instruction. Now bend the left leg first, then the left knee. Place the right feet on top of your left thigh. Right feet on top of your left thigh, like you're going into Padmasana like that. If you feel uncomfortable, just do the previous one also. Okay. Okay. Now lift up the left feet. Use your right hand to get hold of your left big toe. Inhale, straighten up the leg as much as you can. Now project the right knee forward. Project the right knee forward. Project the right knee forward. And then exhale, bring the left feet towards the right side, opposite direction. Stop. Opposite direction. Slowly come down. And left hand, you can do a mudra, like chin mudra or something like that. And then look at your left hand. Now breathe. This pose is known as Ekavada Padma Supta Pada Angusta Asana. Three, breathe normally. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhaling, release the posture, come up once again, come up, bend the knee, come up, release the posture. Okay, now do for the other side. Left feet on top of your right thigh, left feet on top of your right thigh. Bring the right leg up, left hand take hold of your right big toe. Now project the left knee forward. Inhale and exhale, drop your right feet towards the direction of your left shoulder. Yes, now you can see a bit more clearly. Now right hand, bring it over in a straight line. Look at your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Release the posture. Release the posture. Okay, continue lying down. Bring both your knees close towards your chest. Hug your thigh. Both your knees close towards your chest and hug your thigh. Hug your thigh. Head down, head down. Release the position. Legs apart, hands apart, Shavasana. Follow my instruction. Legs apart, hands apart, palms facing upwards, Shavasana. Breathing in, breathing out. I'm going to mention each part of your body. As I mention each part of your body, visualize that the particular part of the body is relaxing. Visualize that the particular part of the body is relaxing. Let go of yourself. Relax your feet, relax your ankle, relax your toes. Let your feet rest sideways. Do not engage any part of your feet. Relax your shin, your calf. Relax your knee. Relax the back of your knee. Relax the back of your knee. Relax your thigh, upper thigh, your lower thigh. Relax your pelvic area. Relax your lower back. Relax your abdomen. Relax your chest. Relax the back, upper back. Relax the back of your hands. Relax your fingers. Relax the back of your neck. Relax the pit of your throat. Relax your entire facial muscle. Keep your lips slightly apart with a gentle, light smile. Your tongue resting at the palate of your mouth. Relax your cheek. Relax the corner of your eyes. Relax your eyelids. This is the important part. Relax the space in between your eyebrows. Do not concentrate on anything. Relax your forehead. Relax your head. Your entire body, from the top of your head to the tip of your toes, is now completely relaxed. Your entire body, from the top of your head to the tip of your toes, is now completely relaxed. Breathing in, breathing out. In, out. In, out. Tell your mind, by doing yoga, my body is completely healthy. My mind is calm and composed. I'm feeling healthy physically, mentally, and spiritually. I'm feeling healthy physically, mentally, and spiritually. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. As I breathe in and breathe out, my body is getting heavier and heavier and completely sinking onto my mat. My body is getting heavier and heavier and completely sinking onto my mat. Feel completely surrendered. You are surrendering yourself. You're surrendering all your stress, your challenges. To Mother Earth. You are surrendering all your challenges, your obstacles to Mother Earth. And allow it to guide you, and allow it to guide you towards the solutions. Let go completely. You are feeling calm. You are drowsing away. There's no more heaviness in the body. A great sense of lightness is descending upon you. A great sense of lightness is descending upon you. Your body is becoming lighter and lighter. Breathing in, breathing out. In, out. In, out. Slowly come back to yourself. Move your hands, move your legs. Slowly come back to yourself. Move your hands, move your legs. Turn to your left. Use your right hand to come up to a seated position. Turn to your left. Use your right hand to come up to a seated position. Bring your palms together. Rub it in until there is heat on your palms. Place it on your eyes, your face, your shoulders, your entire body. Once again, on your eyes, your face, your shoulders, your entire body. All right, we are done for today. As I informed earlier, we are next week வந்துட்டு எல்லா சென்டர்லையும் வந்துட்டு கிளாஸ் வந்து ரெஸ்யூம் பண்ணிடுவோம். பட் எக்ஸப்ட் ஃபார் மை கிளாஸ் and Anuradha's class, of course, won't be resumed because the packs are very high. So CMC leave பண்ண பிறகு we are expecting to start class from the second week of December itself. So I want all of you to continue your classes, your Hatha Yoga classes. Those who are only joining Hatha Yoga classes, continue பண்ணுங்க, especially for Klang class. For Puchong, we have a good crowd already, but for Klang class, I want you to continue your classes for December also. இந்த ஆசனாவோட பேர் வந்துட்டு இன்னைக்கு நம்ம செஞ்ச ஆசனாவோட பேர் வந்துட்டு நான் இந்த சேட்ல வந்து போட்டிருக்கேன். அதோட பேர் வந்துட்டு ஆக்சுவலி ராங்காக சொல்லிட்டேன் உங்கள்கிட்ட. இட்ஸ் ஆக்சுவலி அர்த்த பாட்மா சுப்த பரிவித்ர பாதங்குஸ்தாசனா. ஸோ இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் டு ட்ரை இட் அவுட் லேட்டர், திஸ் இஸ் த நேம் தட் ஆஃப் த போஸ்ட் தட் யூ நீட் டு புட். Okay, try it out later, put it on, keep it as a record for yourself, and if you feel you are not there yet, just keep on trying all the progressive postures or preparatory postures that we did today. அதை செஞ்சுக்கிட்டே வாங்க. It will help not only to open up this posture, but also if you are struggling with Padmasana or any other postures, அதுக்கு வந்துட்டு it will help. These postures will help. As I said earlier, why we do this type of asanas or this type of challenging asanas is to give you a sense of accomplishment, give you the last pose, feet must touch floor. Yes, the feet must touch the floor. The toes must touch the floor. நீங்கள் அந்த காலை இப்படி கொண்டு போறீங்களா, அந்த டோஸ் போயிட்டு தரையில் படணும், and then the pose is complete. Not the hand touching, the toes must touch the floor. Opposite side la eduthu pogumbodhu the toes must touch the floor. Okay, so why we do this type of poses? As I said earlier, it gives you a sense of accomplishment, and it feels you that you can transcend something, or you have tried out something that your body has never allowed you to do before. So it will give you a sense of power, a sense of accomplishment, and of course throughout the day you will go on accomplishing many more things that you thought that you would never be able to do. So with that, I once again wish all of you a great day ahead. Stay safe, stay healthy. Anything, always feel free to contact me, WhatsApp me, message me. Otherwise, I wish all of you a great day ahead. Namaskar everybody. Stay safe, stay healthy. Vaalga valamudan. I wish all of you good health. Namaskar everybody. Take care of yourself. See you all. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself. Thank you. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you.